instructional materials. We have no speakers. So, Mr. Oswald, I think you have 8 seconds to do the presentation of this one.
I can probably do it in 6. Okay. 8 for policy 8.122. We have to just acknowledge to the board, we did this with instructional materials for science. In order to use these materials, we just need to bring forward what we are spending these funds on, and we'll bring back the our next board meeting, the full approval, but these are on our CKLA materials as part of our initiative around pre-K to grade 3. We have talked about this in the strategic initiative management process where we brought to the board around these materials. These are highly rated materials through Amplify. Provides these materials. We're purchasing some of our instructional materials for our 16 schools listed here. Diana Fetterman, our Assistant Superintendent of Teaching and Learning, has gone through a process to get parent input as well. Anything that you'd like to add?
These schools have been utilizing the materials in K-2. We are just increasing and expanding up to 3rd grade next year, so the students will have the ability to continue with the curriculum.
Are there any questions? There's no action we need to take, so we'll move to our next item, which is discussion item by Dr. Robinson.
Thank you.